Is it the best investment of the year? It probably ain't. I bought a 1967 Mustang, as you can see behind me. We're going to look it over today. I bought it, got it at a good deal. You know, you can imagine. But there's some things the matter with it. And it's very creative what they do. You know, they done. It is. I'm about to show you. But I think most of this car is made out of spray foam. That's got to be fixed. But it was affordable. So we got a 1967 Mustang. They did a great job on this hood. Needs a little love, but I think we could turn that into something. It's sitting on these some kind of wheels with these big ass lug nuts here. Kind of cool. 007 style. We got painted drums back here. You already know something's up. We got a strut. More spray foam. More spray foam. The back of the car, that's the spare tire from the original. Because this is body swapped, in case you didn't know. And I don't know why they didn't just cut this. You know, that's not needed. This spare tire trunk, you could replated that. Did something with that. This body, believe it or not, can be dropped down a lot. You know, it don't have to be that way. More spray foam up in here. The body's not too bad. Looked like it had a fender flare up here once upon a time. This car actually ain't full Bondo. You would think it is, but actually steel. It's actually a solid body. More spray foam. We got this big scut. You want to think what that's hiding? The body, because they didn't drop it down further enough. They could have went another 6 inches, I do believe. But I think it was just working with a grinder. They had a good idea. Set it down on a new body, new drivetrain and stuff. I'll tell you what it's got in it here in a minute, but you probably done guessed. Comment below what your guess is. I'll give you a hint. It's got an axle. It's front wheel drive. But check this inside out. That's an even bigger hint. It's a Ford. They did keep it Ford. That's the paperwork here to the car. Yes, it comes with paperwork. It's got some nice seats in it. You know. It's pretty nice. That door sounds good, don't it? This door does open too. You can see the fenders. Gaps ain't perfect. And I don't know if you can see this. The body is just sitting on this under its own weight. I do not think it's attached in many places. I think it's just held on with spray foam. I don't know what to call this car, but it's got so. When you find a car got so, and you're a car person, you got to pick it up. And I did say no more projects at the moment, but this one I just couldn't pass it up. I'm a car person that, you know, I just had too much soul to. It can be saved. It can be built in something cool. There's a good idea going on here. It just needed a little bit more tools available, and a little bit more brain power to make it happen safely and, you know, dependability. We got a V6 here. I forgot to cover the engine up because that hood's heavy. But we got a V6 here. It runs, got kind of a stall to it. Sounds like it's got an exhaust leak from a hail and back. See the fender? I mean, that needs dealt with. But the good thing about it, I can lower this body where I want it. Because this is the factory dash here this car. This is a Ford Taurus, and this can be all cut out. I don't know why they left this here, you know, and just dropped it and then capped this with spray foam. I'm not sure. Comment below what's your suggestions. This wiper motor is not going to work, but we could put a factory wiper motor in this and build some brackets. It's doable. But this right here, all this is plastic. This is dash right here. This all can be cut out here and opened up. Let's get inside. I started up for you. You can hear it run. And get over here. I don't mind the El Camino. We need to finish the El Camino. I know. That's the little record we picked up the other day. Come in handy so far. Still runs like shit. We got some tubes in the back. Steering wheels. I don't even know what's back there. I don't want to know. Of course, it leaks water because that window's been down. Vice grips. Works wonders. Let's go ahead and get that paperwork up. Start it. Starts perfect. Does got an exhaust rattle, and it's a little rough running when you first start it. But if the gas hand works, then I'm out of gas. It's got radio. The fan and stuff did work, but it don't work anymore. Don't know why. Radio works, but this is a cool bottom piece right here. Man could leave this and maybe do some diamond plated aluminum here, or just get this lower. This needs to come out lower, so you can drop the body down, because this body is too high up on this. I mean, there's plenty of room here. Floorboards look like it fits good. You see the spray foam, and you can see the spray foam here, you know, and you can see the spray foam but you know, what can I say? That's the back. Runs good. Exhaust rattles like a son of a bitch. Got power steering. It did have a I don't know if it got AC or nothing. But yeah, that's pretty much a Mustang. Got a little miss. Hear it? Boop. Boop. Pretty smooth. I don't think anything matter with the engine. It's beeping. I wonder if it's about out of gas. I'm not sure. I think it does need a tune-up though. But how many miles this thing got on it? 120,000. I do think that's original miles too. Believe it or not, I do. This is the solution to the trunk. There are more cans of spray foam used on this car than what I gave for the car. The tail lights work in it and everything, but you can see they didn't have no plasma cutter, no torch, no nothing. They just hacked away at it. And I don't know what to say. The only thing I need to cover that engine up either with the hood or plastic here in a minute. The only thing I can truly say about this, get a full view of the car, is they had a good idea. I think they seen the video with the little Honda, and they said, well, I got the perfect wheelbase. It's Ford Taurus, not sure of the year. I do know it's Ford Taurus. I think it's about an 03. Could be 01, but I think 03 with the digital AC and stuff. But got a 108, 109 wheelbase. You know, it fits. So I've shortened that, don't have to cut nothing. But you know what else got a 109 wheelbase? 108. 2005 and up Mustangs. GTs, you know. Man, it'd be nice to find one of them wrecked. I think they got a Ford Taurus that was been hit. And I think they just had a 67 body that looked pretty solid to me. But it could have needed all suspension and stuff like that, probably fours and stuff. But the outside was, the bones was, and they made this. Which this is cool. Which if I can lower the body, like I want to on down, safely attach it, I'll leave it on this. If not, what do you think? full frame. S10 frame is 108 inches, 9 inches, short wheelbase ones are. Or Mustang GT. We'll leave it like this, or 4-cylinder. It probably gets 30 miles a gallon. And I'm sure we can, you know, put a nice dash and stuff in it. Because that's what we do here on the channel. If you're new, we make stuff happen. Because we're on a budget. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. This is a thumbs up, you know. That's the like button. And I'll see you next time.